Welcome to Tiny Tutors. Today, we're flying high into the amazing world of birds. In this fun and colorful video, we'll meet 30 of the most famous birds from around the world. Let's explore the skies together. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting adventures with Tiny Tutors.
Parrot. Parrot is a bird known for its bright colors and ability to mimic human speech. It lives in rainforests and tropical regions. Eagle. Eagle is a bird with sharp vision and powerful wings, symbolizing strength. It is found in mountains, forests, and grasslands around the world. Penguin. Penguin is a flightless bird that waddles on land but swims fast in icy waters. It lives in Antarctica. Owl. Owl is a bird with excellent night vision, hunting in the dark. It is found in forests, deserts, and grasslands worldwide. Peacock. Peacock is a bird famous for its colorful tail feathers. It is often found in South Asian gardens and parks. Sparrow. Sparrow is a small, cheerful bird that chirps around homes and gardens. It is commonly seen in cities and farmlands worldwide. Hummingbird. Hummingbird is a tiny bird known for hovering as it sips nectar. It lives in gardens and forests of the Americas. Flamingo. Flamingo is a bird recognized by its pink feathers and long legs. It is often found in lakes and wetlands in Africa, the Caribbean, and South America. Duck. Duck is a friendly, quacking bird that loves swimming in ponds. It can be found in lakes, rivers, and wetlands worldwide. Crow. Crow is a smart, social bird that is often seen flying in groups. It lives in cities, forests, and farmlands globally.
Woodpecker. Woodpecker is a bird with a strong beak, used for pecking into trees. It lives in forests across North America, Europe, and Asia. Pigeon. Pigeon is a bird common in cities, known for its ability to find its way home. It is found in urban areas around the world. Robin. Robin is a small bird with a bright red chest, often seen hopping around gardens. It lives in Europe, North America, and other temperate regions. Swan. Swan is a large, elegant bird that glides gracefully on water. It can be found in ponds and lakes across Europe, North America, and Asia. Kingfisher. Kingfisher is a bird with bright colors and fast dives to catch fish. It lives near rivers and lakes in tropical and temperate regions. Toucan. Toucan is a tropical bird known for its large, colorful beak. It lives in the rainforests of Central and South America. Pelican. Pelican is a bird with a long beak and a pouch for scooping up fish. It is found near coasts and lakes worldwide. Seagull. Seagull is a coastal bird known for its loud calls and love of snacks. It lives near beaches and coastlines globally. Vulture. Vulture is a scavenger bird that helps clean the environment by eating leftovers. It is found in open areas and mountains worldwide. Canary. Canary is a small, bright yellow bird famous for its beautiful singing. It lives in the Canary Islands and is kept as a pet in homes.
Macaw. Macaw is a large, colorful parrot with a strong beak. It is native to the rainforests of South America. Emu. Emu is a large, flightless bird that can run fast. It is native to the open plains of Australia. Ostrich. Ostrich is the world's largest bird, unable to fly but can run at high speeds. It lives in the savannas and deserts of Africa. Heron. Heron is a tall bird with a long neck, often found near water. It lives in wetlands, rivers, and lakes worldwide. Albatross. Albatross is a seabird with the longest wingspan, able to fly for days without landing. It lives over the oceans, especially in the southern hemisphere. Kookaburra. Kookaburra is a bird famous for its laughing call. It lives in the forests and savannas of Australia. Crane. Crane is a large, graceful bird known for its elegant dances. It lives in wetlands and grasslands around the world. Kiwi. Kiwi is a small, flightless bird with a long beak, native to New Zealand. It is known for being shy and nocturnal. Cardinal. Cardinal is a bright red bird that sings sweet melodies. It lives in the woodlands and gardens of North America. Blue jay. Blue jay is a vibrant blue bird, known for its intelligence and loud calls. It lives in forests and suburban areas across North America.